Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting video today. It's more of just like a chill aesthetic vlog. I'm going to talk a little bit now and I'll talk a little bit at the end, but otherwise I'm just going to let the clips play. I visited Colleen Hoover's bookstore. It's about an hour away from where I live, and so I went. I'm pretty sure her mother was there, maybe her nephew. I don't know. I don't know much about her. I'm not like the biggest Colleen Hoover fan. I'm not a hater by any means, but I've only read reminders of him, and I have Ugly Love on my TBR, and I bought, well, you'll see, I bought one of her books today because all of her books there are signed, and she has a lot of signed books by other authors as well. You'll see one of those that I got. I also got a free bookmark and 2 free little extras with my purchase. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you my Colleen Hoover bookstore vlog. Hi, cutting in to say I was kind of running on the assumption that everyone knew Colleen Hoover has a bookstore. If you didn't know, Colleen runs a bookstore with her sisters in her hometown of Sulphur Springs, Texas. It's called the Bookworm box. They also have a subscription box that you can order online. I'm pretty sure you can order signed books and special edition books and stuff online also. It's a non-profit bookstore. So if you were confused, there is the explanation. So I managed to get a good amount of clips before it got pretty crowded in there, especially around Colleen herself's shelf. That's a very popular area. She has a ton of signed books. She's got a lot of merch in there. And it was just really cute. I enjoyed my time. I didn't meet Colleen this time, but I'm pretty sure her mother was asking me a question about my bag. And she was at my local Barnes & Noble just hours after I was there one time, so. Anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know if you want to see more bookstore or book shopping vlogs, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Are you recording in here?
No.
Get that phone from me.